Okay, so we've just come to this Nissan X Trail, and we're going to first pick the lock, decode it, and then we're going to program in new keys. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's just try it in the lock, see what happens. Perfect. Try it in the ignition. Beautiful, look at that. It's obviously not going to start, but we've got a key, no resistance. Alright, time to program. Okay, we've just gone through the programming procedure. The security light is up there, and we'll try programming in the keys that the customer got from the internet. Again, another issue, they wouldn't work, so I've used my own transponder. So let's see if this works. Go round and round in circle with dumbass transponders. Car works. So we've got the other transponder here. Let's try that. Take the key out. Just open the door just for shits and giggles. And we'll try the other one. Beautiful. Car starts. So note to self, don't do jobs if customers supply their own key, because you go round and round in circles. Okay, cheers, thanks for watching.